Hello and welcome to the demo video for Bigcommerce and Make.com integration. First of all, a big congratulations to Make.com and Bigcommerce communities who have been relentlessly asking for this integration. This integration has opened the floodgates for automation on Bigcommerce platform. There will be regular updates and on-call support for this integration. Team GrowwStacks is working tirelessly to make this integration as versatile as possible. So let us have a look what all triggers and modules are available at the moment. So as you can see on the screen, this is Make.com and here is our integration. What you get is you get a lot of modules which perform very specified functions. As you can see, there are modules on carts management, there is cart line item management, there is inventory management, there is inventory items, there is modules on channels, there are modules on checkouts, there are modules on discount and coupons during checkout, there are checkout orders, there are modules on customers, like you can create customers, update customers, delete customers. You have modules on orders, then you have modules on order status. You can also set modules to check for order statuses. Then you have order products, then you have modules for subscribers. You can update subscriber, delete subscriber, get all subscribers. There are multiple functions for these. Then you have tax classes, modules on tax classes. Then modules on shipments, like getting the status of the update of shipments, delete an order shipment, like these kind of modules. Then you have modules for customer addresses, and then you have modules for shipping addresses. Then obviously at the end, we have made a module which can call for API. So basically in this integration, we have covered all the basics which are needed to build automation from the start on Bigcommerce platform. So congratulations once again to both the communities, especially to the people who are active on Make's Idea Exchange. Team GrowwStacks hopes that this integration has had an impact on the people using Bigcommerce platform. The download link is given below. Check it out and let us know how you liked it. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section on your suggestions and future updates. This is Pralesh signing off.